Both of these constructions that we're going to do today are real simple constructions in the respect that you just set your compass to one setting and you keep it there the whole time. You never have to change the setting of your compass at all. Okay, so if we look at this construction, starting with a segment, if you want to bisect this segment, what you're going to do, you're going to place your compass tip on one end point of the segment, and you're going to adjust your compass so that it extends exaggeratedly beyond the halfway mark. So again, we anticipate our midpoint's going to be right about here. So as long as your compass extends beyond that halfway point, you're okay. Okay, once you get it extended at that setting, you're going to construct an arc from this endpoint. So again, the arc should be pretty close to 180 degrees from the endpoint. Right, the next step is to keep your compass measure exactly the same, and you're going to duplicate this arc from the other endpoint. And so I'm going to reduce my compass here really quickly so you can see all the markings. All right, so I have my compass set to beyond half the length of my segment. I'm going to duplicate this arc in step 2 from my other endpoint. Again, without changing the compass setting at all, just keep it the exact same. And when I do this, what you want to make sure of is there are two arc-arc intersections. Okay, the arc-arc intersections are located right here and here. If you're missing either of these in a construction, you won't get full credit for showing your work. Okay, so make sure that you show both sets of these arc-arc intersections. And then your final step to find the midpoint or to bisect this segment is to connect those two arc-arc intersections. And once you do, what you locate is the midpoint. So not only did we bisect this segment, but we found the midpoint. It turns out that this the segment that when we connected the arc-arc intersections is perpendicular to the original segment. So not only is that a bisector, it's also a perpendicular bisector. And then again, because it forms that right angle, we also can use this construction to create a right angle. Okay, so these two segments of this, or these two portions of the original segment are equal to each other. We've bisected the segment, found its midpoint, created the perpendicular bisector, and drew a right angle.